Hey there, Sean from Caffewerks, and today we're going to be talking about the E61 group head. We'll go into a little bit of history about the group head itself, and then we'll move on to the products we offer, our silicone gaskets, as well as an array of screens that function well with the group head itself. The E61 group head is one of the most temperature-stable group heads on the market to this day. This is done by way of two things. First, the group head itself weighs about 9 pounds and is chrome-plated brass. Once heated up, this group head will maintain its temperature incredibly well. That's also done by way of a thermosiphon on the back of the group head, where water enters hotter at the top and exits cooler at the bottom, cycling while you're not even brewing. One of the most unique features of the E61, especially the lever model, is its ability for pre-infusion. When the lever is pulled down slightly, you'll hear the valve open and line pressure water will enter your coffee bed. Once the lever is pulled down the rest of the way, the espresso machine pump kicks on, bringing you up to your 9 bar. Caffewerks manufactures silicone gaskets for many machines and group heads, including the E61. Our silicone gaskets are softer in durometer than traditional EPM rubber, allowing for easier engagement of the portafilter. For the E61 group head especially, it's offered in 2 thicknesses, both a yellow and an orange. The yellow is 0.5 millimeters thicker, which works better on used gear as your portafilter and your group head start to wear down. One of the more unique features of the E61 group head is the screen is installed using the gasket. This does away with the screw in the screen and is easier to clean because of that. In addition to our Caffewerks gaskets, we also manufacture screens. For the E61 group head, there's 2 main types of screens on the market and variations thereof. The Caffewerks laser etch screen is simply stainless steel that's been laser etched away for a consistent hole pattern and an even distribution of water flow. Traditional style screens use mesh that's overlaid on top of a stamped steel screen. Variations of the theme include nanotech coatings of both a laser etched or a wire mesh screen. The nano coating creates a hydrophobic atmosphere around the screen itself and should be easier to clean for longevity. We also offer variations of the theme, such as the matrix screen, made of microspheres smashed together and 5 nanometers thick. We like to offer many options so people can customize their espresso machines and thus their espresso. It's always great to remember that screens and baskets are also wear items. Caffewerks has now started bundling 2-packs for more affordability in your screens, baskets, and gaskets. All of these products and more information on the E61 group head can be found on our E61 collection on our website, caffewerks.com. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@caffewerks.com.